Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows script host error. The system cannot find the file specified. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option over here and download it. Select download anyway option. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Just need to go to downloads and right click on the auto runs zip file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to right click on the auto runs 64.exe file and select run as administrator. Select yes. Select quick filter and type here VBS and press enter. And now you just need to double click on the blue line mark over here and find if you have anything listed over here as a red mark, then you just need to right click on it and select delete it guys. Select everything and log on. If you find anything red mark, then you just need to delete it. Go back to everything and explorer. If you find anything red mark, then you just need to right click on it and select delete it. Do the same for red marks. After deleting it, you just need to select everything and Internet Explorer, double click on it, and you just need to find everything. If anything has a red mark, just by double click on the things listed over here, just near to drivers. After deleting all red marks thing, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.